Good morning, students. Today's topic classification of manufacturing industries. Classification of manufacturing industries. In last class, we discussed about the factors affecting the localization or location of the industries. Now here the classification of manufacturing industry. We can classify the industries in three parts: industries based on size, industries based on raw material, industries based on the ownership. First of all, here the industries based on size. Industries based on size. Here the industry size is calculated in this type. Here the small size and the large scale, small scale, and the cottage industry. We can classify in three parts: cottage industry also called the domestic industry, and the small scale industry and the large scale industry. Cottage industry is the domestic industry. We can also say domestic industries. Here in cottage industry, all family member are engaged in the work. All family member are engaged in the work and the productions used by the family, and after the use all these product, these the remain are the sell in the market for their other needs are in these cottage industries. And the small scale industries, here the size is more than from the cottage industry, approx 10 to 50 persons are engaged in this work in the small scale industry. Like here the furniture industries are included in the small scale industries, and the toy industry also be included in the small scale industry. Next are the large scale industry. Large scale industry, we listen about the industries. What is industry? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द इंडस्ट्रीज का जो पिक्चर हमारे माइंड में आता है, दैट इज द लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्री. लाइक द आयरन स्टील इंडस्ट्री, कॉटन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज आर द एग्जांपल ऑफ द लार्ज स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. नेक्स्ट हियर इंडस्ट्रीज बेस्ड ऑन रॉ मटेरियल. We can classify in five parts: agro based, mineral based, chemical based, industries based on the forest produce, and the animal based industries, animal product based industries. First है here the agro based industries. All these industries are the based on the agricultural product. Like here the cotton industry, cotton textile industries are based on the cotton, and cotton product is the agricultural product. Like here the sugar industry also is the sugarcane, the agricultural product. So all these industries are based on the agricultural product, are the agro based industries. Second here mineral based industries. So all these industries are the based on the mineral. Like here the iron steel industry are based on the iron ore, and here the aluminum industry are based on the bauxite. So other all these are the based on the mineral, are included in the mineral based industry. Third is the chemical based industries. Like here the chemical based industries, like chemical fertilizers जो हम paint करते हैं, these paint also the based on the chemical. Here the use of the chemical in these type of industries are known as the chemical based industries. Next, industries based on forest produce. Like furniture industry also we can include in this. Furniture industry are depend on the woods, and woods obtained from the forests, and also other like the paper industry also the include in this part forest produce industries. Next here animal based industries. Like all dairy industries are like woolen industry, dairy industry are animal based industries here. Clear? Woolen textile industry are based on woolen textile industry example of animal based industries. Next are the industries based on ownership. Public sector, here the authority by the government. Here the position of government in all industries are included in the public sector industries. A private sector, its own private sector. प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्रीज में क्या इंक्लूड करेंगे ना, द प्राइवेट सेक्टर the private sector industries, here the person, yeah, the particular here the institute have the ownership. These industry are known as the private sector industry. यानी खुद का अपना जो मालिक होता है ना, ओनर होता है, that is the private sector industry. And the joint sector industries, first and second, public sector यानी government also the owner and the private company also the owner. The joint sector industry, here the beneficial is distributed in the public, yeah, government and the private companies, that is known as the joint sector industries. Here the ownership have government and also the private company. These are known as the joint sector industries. Now here the example of the all these type of the industries. The industries based on the size. First at the cottage industry. First here cottage industry, the shoes industries, many type of the small tools, utensils, furniture, paper, small level clothes are included in the cottage industry. Basket formation of the basket in also in the cottage industry. Second here the small scale industry. Small scale industry, here we include the furniture, toys and paper goods and the textile industries. An example of the large scale industries: iron steel industry, petrochemical industries, aluminium industries, cement industries are including large scale industries. Next, industries based on the raw material. First, agro based industry. Agro based industry, cotton textile industry, sugar industries, beverage industries, and the food processing also include in the agro based industries. Next, mineral based industries. The iron पे depend है तो iron steel industry, machinery industries and tools industries also include in the mineral based industries. Copper industries, metallic industries, aluminium industries are included in the mineral based industries. Next example of the chemical based industries: the synthetic fiber industries, plastic making industry, chemical fertilizer industry are the example of chemical based industries. Next are the industries based on the forest produce. So here industries based on forest produce, here the example of these industries: paper industries, furniture industry are the example of this. And the animal based industries, particular woolen industry, leather industry and woolen textile industry. Leather industry is the example of animal based industry. And the industries based on the ownership, जिस पर क्या होता है, गवर्नमेंट की ओनरशिप होती है, पब्लिक सेक्टर and here the ownership of the private company or for a person, that the private sector, and here the ownership of government and the private company, known as the joint sector industry. So we will discuss about we also discuss about the classification of manufacturing industries.